Lemon sole, for me, one of the most flavoursome flatfish. Twice as much flavour as the Dover sole, and more importantly, half the price. Skin side down.
Skin.
Just nip at the end. Grab it like you're sort of almost pulling hair. And let the knife do the work.
Season. Dill.
Dill and fish go brilliantly because it's got that really nice sort of fennel flavour, that sort of aniseed flavour. And just roll, almost like a sausage.
Leeks. Carrots. Spring onions. Garlic.
It's a very delicate, dainty fish, this, so we don't want to overpower with garlic. And then something to sort of wake them up a little bit.
Thyme. Rosemary.
The thyme goes brilliantly with the leeks, and the rosemary goes fantastic with the carrots.
Baking paper.
If I had to put them on my board like that, then they're going to curl up. So I turn the paper almost inside out.
Add veg.
We're looking for a bed, like a nest of vegetables.
Season.
And then just drizzle generously with olive oil. It looks delicious now, it's not even cooked. Second piece of paper, that goes over the top.
Wrap.
You get the top right-hand corner and you just fold that over. And then over again. Fold and push. And just follow it round. Fold and push. We've left almost like a little snout.
White wine.
What the wine does, as that sole is steaming there, it makes a really nice aroma with the vegetable, the olive oil, and keeps everything really nice and light and fruity.
Seal.
Pan on there and push down. And look, just seals the paper.
Hot oven, 20 minutes.
And this is the bit of magic. In, and just look. And look at that. Absolutely delicious. And the perfume of the herbs, extraordinary.
Sole en papillon, done.